guys. I don't know if you can hear me. My name is Williams, and here I'm in Bangkok, and today I decided to come and visit this cute lady. She's the queen of coffee and morning tea here in Bangkok Asok Station. So she's really amazing and she does a lot of work. So guys, if you come to Thailand, just come to Asok. Greetings guys, good morning all the way from Bangkok, yeah. So guys, I want to make a disclaimer. I'm going to put on my mask and I'm going to let you know why. So today in Bangkok, there is a dust. There is a dust known as PM2.5, which stands for particular matter with a diameter of 2.5 micrometers or less, considered a type of fine dust that can be particularly harmful to health when inhaled. So there is a dust, and the Ministry of Health in Thailand has asked everyone to put on their masks to avoid getting contaminated or affected. Now, right now, I'm coming from the other side of Asok, and Asok is one of the most busiest places in Bangkok, and Asok is just near Sukhumvit or Nana. For those of you who have been in Thailand, that is the Asok BTS station, that one you're seeing. So guys, everyone in Thailand is putting on their mask because the situation at stake is not favorable. Yeah, we just got the dust, and it is said that if you don't put your mask, actually this is a saying, I'm not confirming it, but it is what they told us, that when you don't put on your mask and you inhale this dust, if you are to live maybe 10 years, you're going to live for 9 years. So your actual year will be reduced to 1. So I'm not sure about this, but maybe it is a way of asking people politely to put on their masks. But many people here have not put their masks and they're okay with it. Those of you who have been to Thailand, again, that is Soy Cowboy. Soy Cowboy, let me see. You see, Soy Cowboy. It is a happening place at night. Wow. I can't tell you what happens there at night. But anyway, with time, maybe I'll find time and come for nightlife and try to make a vlog. Soy Cowboy. Yeah. So let's see what is happening here. Yeah, it is early morning. Time check is 9:25. Early morning, and it is almost a rush hour. Everyone is going to work, and the motorbike guys are here. And for me, I'm going to grab, actually I'm not going to grab, I'm going to use a train, the BTS train, and it is going to take me to a certain location. This is the signature for Asok. Welcome to Thailand, the land of smiles. Yeah. The land of smiles.
How's Grandma doing? Oh yeah, sorry.
Let's see what is happening on the streets. those of you that love street food, snacks. Yeah, the guys are here making some breakfast. Hello, Wadikap. How are you? You are good? Oh, wow. That's carrot?
Potato.
Oh, potato. He's cutting potato. Wow. Let me take a short video for you, okay? Where are you from? Thailand?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
go?
Good. Huh?
Where you go?
Sorry?
This one banana.
Oh, that is banana?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's get to the top, up there to the platform. I think it is platform 2. Yeah. Asok Station. Yeah. I need to buy a card. I don't know. I don't have money. I don't have no cash. Let me check. Actually, I'm going to a certain hospital here. Court. So guys, this is my card, and it is a single journey card. I just have to use it once, like it can't do 2 trips. It is just 1 trip. So here is the train. I think I'll come late. I have to wait for the next station. Sorry. I have to wait for another train. And it will take like just a few minutes. Maybe 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Because there are many. Yeah. These are urban trains, electric trains that have got many stations, and they are making people move from one place to another and to reduce maybe on traffic congestion in the city. Yes, man. So guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Williams, and recently I just changed my channel name from XXL Media Live for some reasons, and now it's called _Williams UG. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a sweet comment below, and let me know what you think about such vlogs. Yeah, for starters, I'm a Ugandan living here in Thailand. Yeah, but again, moving around in Southeast Asia. Let me know even where you're watching from. Yeah, as we are waiting for this train, please just know that your subscription, your love and support is not taken for granted. Okay.
Nana. Next station, Nana.
Yeah guys, what's up? So actually I forgot to show you when I was exiting the train, and right now I'm in the hospital. Yeah, I've got my appointment, and I'll see the doctor at exactly 1 p.m. Yeah, 1:30. At 1:30 p.m. I'll be meeting the doctor, and so I'm just here at like a cafe, or yeah, this is a cafe, as I'm waiting for the doctor. So this hospital, for starters, is a government hospital called Bumipol Hospital. Yeah. So as I'm waiting for the doctor, let me see what is the time now. It is 11:20. Yeah, 11:30. 11:30, and by 1:30 I'll be meeting the doctor. So this is something that I've just ordered. Yeah. This is lemon juice. The receipt is how much is it? Let me see. 105. Yeah. Let's test together. hot dog. And his business. So guys, I'm not really in a bad or critical condition that I'm safe, but it has been a couple of months. This side, the right and left abdominal pains. I have too much abdominal pains, right and left, and also the back pain. So I'm like, let me go back to the hospital, because I've been going to certain hospitals and even private hospitals, but they can't see what is really battling my health. And this time around, I decided to visit this hospital to meet a certain doctor. This is a specialist. Yeah. So just wish me well so that I can upload more content for you.